Okay, it's Tuesday, March 8th, and I'm scaling out of half my NVDA position at 218.10 or 2 points higher. You can see here, this is the 1 minute chart. I got it at 216.09 a while back. I'll show you in a second. And now we're heading much higher. I scaled out 2 points up. I'll show you what we're monitoring for, but it's a no-risk trade. Now, what I had to endure here was I bought it here actually on that way back here when it first made its first push up, and then Joe Biden actually came on, made a little bit of a speech, and we did pull back a little bit. I expected a possible pause when we broke the intraday highs, but we pulled back kind of to the midpoint of this green bar as I was looking at yesterday's close line, and that's where we got the reversal, the two up. So then that gave me confidence to stick with it, and now we're heading higher as anticipated. And the key to this whole thing was just knowing the structure involved, like I had discussed in the first video. Once we broadened to the upside and then made new lows, it took out key, big picture areas, and then reversed all the way up to take out the intraday high. The odds were this was going to be the low of the day. That's why, I was hoping, of course, we'd go straight up from here or just a minor pause. We ended up with just a pretty typical pause and then making another push up now. So again, very good trade. You can see the whole market has seemed to reverse, even stocks like Apple. After Biden talked, moving up. So now we have a big reversal in play on the day. That's kind of what I thought this whole bar was foreshadowing to begin with. On the daily chart, I'm still looking for that 50% rule to kick in. We're getting close to it. If we can get, it's somewhere in the 220, 221 area. If we can break above there and really stay strong, there's a chance this can become a 3-bar by the end of the day. We can still head up to that 230 area. It's still only 11:30 in the morning. So we're going to see how strong this reversal is right now. But anyway, I had a chance to scale out blue line to blue line, set up a no-risk trade, break even somewhere down here if everything fails. Or if everything fails, I could still get out much earlier and still, have a small gain overall on both positions. So looking good right now on NVIDIA. And again, this reversal here early in the day for when we broadened out to some key big picture targets that couldn't follow through lower. That was kind of the signal. And then you just kind of watch, that overall structure in play. This is one of the rare times when I do get that, first intraday high broken to the upside early in the session after making new lows, and that sets the whole tone of the day. That reverses the whole tone of the day from this being the high of the day to this being the low of the day. And now again, we're heading up, so we'll see what happens, but looking good, on NVIDIA, and we'll see if this market really wants to reverse today.